previous video, we created 4 snake moving method: move left, move down, move up, move right. So it's time to actually move the snake. Let's run it to see what we have now. Snake. Yeah, this is the snake. And I have an idea. What about changing the head to a different color? Okay, so where is the... Oh, that's from the test result. So that's just touch it. And so all the highlighted color is gone. So where is the head? Draw snake. Okay, so we need to... Yeah, this, so this is brown color. Brown color. And the head, well, okay, so for that one here we draw all the snake. Let's change it, separate the head. Okay, so snake cell head or snake head equals board dot snake dot get. Yeah, the first one. Draw snake. Oh, we still need the the guarding code. If the snake is empty, right, we'll do nothing. We don't need to draw anything. So if board dot snake, no, board dot snake, this one dot is empty, then we do nothing, return. So now it's safe to get the head out. Otherwise it will crash if the snake is empty and we try to get any element out. So snake head, let's draw it. Make a copy of this one. Fill. So what's it? X. X is the snake. Oh, okay. Snake head. Yeah, is this one. Make a copy. Wait a minute. Make a copy of that and change the cell to snake head. Right? So Y, let's make a copy of this one and change this to Y, and then this one to row, and yeah. Oh, 24. What is 24? Oh, 24 is okay. So that's take the 24 out. Is the, it's called arc width, arc height. Okay, so arc radius. Yeah, let's define the constant here. Like arc. So let's put it here to make it a local variable. int arc radius equals 24. Radius. So let's replace this 24 with that one. Yeah. And replace this arc radius. So it's the radius of this part, this arc, round the rectangle. And now we have the head ready. So we need to skip the first cell. We can do, let's change the for loop to a different one. So I from that to snake dot size. Let's skip from the, so we start from that one and copy that to here, and let's define the cell equals board dot snake dot get I, right? No, I. Now let's remove the old one, and we will use a different color for, well, it's the color, yeah, this is brown. We'll keep the brown here and then make a copy for our head. Let's go to the online color picker. Okay, so online, yeah, color picker. Let's pick dark green. What about dark green? So this one, is it okay? Green head. Okay, so we can copy this triple and put the here. That is dark green. Now let's give it a try. Oh, nice. Don't forget we still have a print board printing logic, so it's in snake board. So if it's head, then we'll draw a different one, an X, okay? So let's add another if, okay? Oh, here, yeah. So if, how can we check the head? Yeah, if colon equal, so we still need to get out of the head. Snake, okay. We can do that, right? Snake cell head equal to snake dot get the first one. If that equals head dot colon and row equal head dot row, then we'll else, right? Else we can just do this, the body, and for the head we can put an X here if it's on snake. Okay, Now let's test it. So we have code to print out the snake, right? Is here. Okay, we can run the test. Yes, you see, snake. The head is represented by X. Now, let's go back. Yeah, go back to the logic of actually move the snake. We need to add a button, right? Some buttons near the bottom. Okay, so we'll rearrange our UI. So we'll keep this square here, 600 by 600. And for the layout, let's borrow some idea from our previous project, the geometry problem. So let's also open this one here. And let's put it on the right so you can see both. Let's make it bigger temporarily. So let's go to snake here. Right, we need to increase the frame size to 700. Right, that's the first thing. And we need to set the layout to absolute layout. So frame dot set layout to manager, layout manager now. Okay, so we create a here, and new board. Okay, this panel. Now we need to set the bounds for our panel, right? Dot set bounds. Yeah, this one we'll use the same idea, 600 by 600. So it's the top part, right? So on the bottom we have like a row to put our buttons there. What's next? Set bounds. Now we can add the panel. Yeah, let's create the one button here. Okay, JButton. So this is, let's use left. Okay, button left equals new JButton. Put the text here. Left. And we need to set the bounds of that. All right, so to save some time, we just use the same layout dot set bounds. It's 20 and 620 and 200. We don't need this long, so maybe let's use 100 for now. Height 40. Okay, and we need to add this button right to our frame. Button left. Let's take a look of the UI. It's good. It's good. So now let's add some action to it. Okay, so button left dot add action listener. Now new action listener, right? Enter. Yeah, we don't need to type those things. Eclipse automatically generate the skeleton code for us. So here, now we can put our logic in. What do we want to do? So we want to move, right? Move, we can call the snake. So where is the board? Do we have a board here? Yes. Oh, we use that. So now we'd better to create one variable for that. So snake board, right? BRD equals new snake board, like that. So because we need to reuse it, so we need a variable for that. So board, now we can call board dot snake, no, dot move, right? Do we have move? Yeah, move left. And we need to call the panel to repaint, right? Panel dot repaint. Let's give it a try. Left. Yes, it works. Cool.